Student, pay attention. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon. Make sure you don't miss any update from us. Hello students. In this lecture we will learn what is computer system. We will cover all the topics like what is hardware, what is software, and we will also learn the types of computer here. So let's start with a brief introduction of computer system. As we know that in today's age of information and technology, no part of our life is untouched by computer. Okay students, now we will do one activity here. Now we have to imagine a world without computer, a world without emails, a world without chats, and a world without social networking. What happens? Think about it. Suppose there is no computer in the world, then how can I make video for you? If there is no computer, then there is no emails, no chats, and no social networkings. Means all these things are interconnected with computer. One more thing I want to tell you that the mobile phone you are using, that is also a computer. So think, if you don't have mobile phone, then how can you access or how can you see my videos? Computers are used in various fields to perform a different task. For example, in automobile companies use computer to design automobile parts. Architects use computer to make blueprints of building. Music director use computer to compose and edit music. Computers are also used in offices to create documents and presentations. In a school, computers are used to explain difficult concepts to students in a simplified manner. Now we will talk about earlier days computer and today's computer. If we compare earlier days computer to today's computer, then they are different because their appearance are different, their performance are different. In earlier days, computer works very slow, but nowadays computer works very fast. As you can see on your screen, older computer is bigger and heavy than today's computer. That's why we can say that earlier days computer are different from today's computer. Now we will study classification of computer by size. On the basis of size, we can classify computer into 4 categories. The first is microcomputer, second is mini computer, third is mainframe computer, and the fourth is supercomputer. So firstly we will study about microcomputer. Do you know microcomputer are also known as personal computer? These computers are small in size and uses microprocessor. They are used by one person at a time. That means on microcomputer only one person can do work at a time. Microcomputers are used in offices, school labs, home, etc. If we talk about the example of microcomputer, then laptop, tablet, personal computer or desktop are the best example of microcomputers. Now we will talk about what is mini computer. Let me tell you that these computers are bigger in size, have higher processing speed than microcomputer. Mini computers can handle approximately 500 users at a time. That means 500 users can perform a task on mini computer at a time. Mini computers are commonly used in businesses, education, or in small organizations. If we talk about the example of mini computer, then CDC 160A, PDP are the best example of mini computer. Now the next is mainframe computer. Mainframe computers are larger than mini computer. If we compare mini computer to mainframe computer, then the size of mainframe computer is larger than mini computer. This computer processes data at very high speed, which is measured in millions of instructions per second. It means if you give millions of instructions to mainframe computer, then mainframe computer can perform millions of instructions in a second. In this computer, 1000 users can perform tasks at a time. That means 1000 users can do their work on this computer. These computers are generally used in large organizations such as railway station, banks, insurance company, manufacturing company, mail order companies, airlines, etc. Now let's see some example of mainframe computer. Now the best example of mainframe computer is IBM Jet series and S390 mainframe. Now we will talk about supercomputer. The largest computer are the supercomputer. That means supercomputer are larger in size. They are most powerful, they are most expensive and the fastest computer in the world. Means the processing speed of these computers are very high. These computers are very expensive. A normal person cannot buy it easily because these computers are used by the governmental agencies. Supercomputer can process trillions of instructions per second. Means if we give trillions of instructions to these computer, then it will perform these trillions of instructions in per second. If we talk about the use of supercomputer, then supercomputer are used in IRS, National Weather Services, and the National Defense Agencies. Mainly supercomputer are used in space research to research new things in space. Now the example of supercomputer are Cray-1, Deep Blue, Hydra. These are the best example of supercomputer. Now in the second lecture, we will study what is hardware. In the hardware, we will study what is input device and what is output device. So stay safe, happy learning.